of the important developments in India, that is the concept of the combine harvester. So basically when we talk about the combine harvester or simply the combine, it is actually a machine which can do various processes simultaneously. That means the first process which it can do is the process of harvesting. Basically harvesting refers to the removal of the crop from the field. So whenever the time period has been covered, so for example the time period for a certain crop is from June to October. So in the month of October we can do the harvesting. So when the harvesting is being done, we are removing the crop from the field. That is done with the help of a sickle, maybe a crop, maybe with the help of an hand, or with the help of a tractor if it is a very large field. Now that tractor can also be used by small farmers or large farmers. So whenever the harvesting is being done, it is done with the help of a tractor. Basically it is a removal of the crop from the field when the time period of that crop has been completed. Now it has been final crop and you can remove that crop from the field. The next step which this combine can do is the process of threshing. Now in the process of threshing, the crop which we have obtained, it is used to separate the crop from the husk. So crop and the husk are separated, or we can say the stalk or the husk. Basically crop and the stalk, the leftover part, are separated. Now to do this type of method, the threshing is to be done, you need a separate type of machine. So a farmer has to take a tractor for the harvesting, then a separate machine to do the threshing, to separate the crop from the stalk. Also the third process, that is winnowing. Winnowing is done with the help of a wind to separate the lighter particles from the heavier particles. So when these three types of processes, that is harvesting, threshing and winnowing, are done in a single type of machine, that machine is referred to as a combine harvester or simply a combine. So basically it saves the time for the farmer, and also the farmer has to keep now single machine in case of three different types of machines. Earlier this type of machines was to be made only in the countries like developed countries like the USA and the Japan. But with the coming of technology, with new inventions coming on, now India has been an also major producer for the combine harvesters. The farmers in the states like Haryana and Punjab are now using such types of machines, and these types of machine can be efficiently used, and the time has been reduced very much. So time required individually, if it was something like 2 to 3 days, with the help of a combine it can be done with the help of the machine we can do within a single day. So it has reduced time, it has reduced the work on the farmer, and also now the farmer has to keep only one machine rather than having three different types of machine like the harvester, then the thresher or the winnowing method. This was the concept of the combine harvester, or simply you can say the machine on the combine.